Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
it is not me. Iruan and Kemoko Ganyo, because I know the God that follow me. That is why I have always told you, if you want to attack me, first of all, go and consult your oracle and native doctor. Ask them question. This man you want to attack, Aki Odiocha, I normally give you people that hint, but I don't know whether anybody is doing it. Nobody is doing that. Ask question. Can I attack this man and go free? Now, you will know that you have been deceived. Your money you used to go to native doctor, everything is gone. Completely gone. Some of you are still thinking you are in the dream. Somebody should wake you up. Okay? You think you are still sleeping. This is life, reality. You are gone. You have been left behind. That is what we are saying. Don't fight anybody that didn't fight you. Because you will never believe it. I came here that fateful night, and I was telling you people, Name Butegike. They came and started insulting me. Oh, everywhere. Simon Ekpa this, one powder that, this, that. I told you. Una say, mba, no, Sam, no, Nankebo Wofen Kupu. Iroko 3 gada, Iroko 3 ada, Iroko 3 gada, this and that. Why I'm making this particular broadcast like this today is because I may never have the time to talk again about this, because we are going to get busy. We are going to get busy. A lot of things to talk about, especially exposing Nigerian government. There are plenty. So I want you to, those of you who continue to lie and blackmail people without anything, those of you who always think that everybody is like you, that you have my naked picture. Yeah, so this one I have my naked cucumber. This one, even if anybody have my naked cucumber, yeah, I will be the one to post itself. You don't even know how crazy I am. You don't know how I will post it and brag about it. I will post it and brag about it. You see? But all of them, because that is what they do, all of them have shared it on social media. Let Simon Ekpa, if Simon Ekpa is a man, let him do this. If he is a man, let him do that. Where are they today? They are still looking for another thing to talk about. They are still looking for another thing to talk about. They were looking for another thing. Tell them now, let them expose that Simon Ekpa. That Simon Ekpa. That thing they, that thing they say, if Simon Ekpa do, let them expose Simon Ekpa. Because there is nothing to expose about Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa will die intact. The chapter I did not give you, you can't talk about it. When I open a chapter, you talk. It is me. I am in control of what you talk about me. The chapter I give you, I will give you and tell you how to talk about it. You talk about it. When I want to give you the chapter of cucumber, I will give you the chapter of cucumber. You talk about it. After all, there is a, I get a picture of Ayade. Ayade. Have you seen it? Have you seen Ayade? Ayade, Governor Ayade. I get picture of Governor Ayade where he do work. Well, that one is It's not our business. So I know it's not our problem. All right. But I want you to, I want you to, I want you to listen to P2B, how P2B was blowing grammar about economy to Fulani. And the point is that, P2B was just talking, economy, Nigeria economy, to Fulani. And he was serious, thinking that, thinking that he was talking to human beings. Thinking that it is Fulani is interested in the economy of Nigeria. Anything economy of Nigeria, you can never be taken serious. Fulani can never take you serious. The only thing Fulani takes serious is one Nigeria. Just come to North and tell them that you are going to devote all your power to one Nigeria. You don't win their vote. It's unfortunate that we are not allowing election. Otherwise, I would have given them expo. P2B should just go to North. Once you go to North, you go to Zamfara. You tell them, vote me. I will devote everything I have to make sure one Nigeria. Once you say it, you are with Fulani. You are with Fulani. Fulani is with you. I am telling you the fact. And this is one thing that these people don't know. You are in Nigeria. You don't know. You don't study Nigeria. You don't know how Nigeria take. You don't know how Nigeria work. The people you say you are with, you don't know how they take. Now, watch P2B.
Flying about. President used to go by road. You can't. You can't even go from Abuja to Kaduna today. You can't go from Abuja to Jos. You can't go from Abuja to Mina.
You see, how many of you remember that in the space on Twitter, I was addressing some of the one Nigerianists, and one lady came, and I was telling, and the one lady came, and that lady is supporting P2B. That lady is supporting P2B. One lady came. I was telling the lady, do you know you cannot travel from Abuja to Kaduna from this one? The lady was saying, no, that you travel. That people are traveling on road every day. We should come back. We should stop doing this. Look at the person he is supporting to become a president. She is supporting P2B. P2B is even saying you can't travel anymore on the road. But the people that are defending P2B on Twitter is having a different opinion. The person defending P2B on Twitter was arguing with me that is a lie. People travel on the road. Here is P2B telling people in the north that you can no longer travel by road. So which means the people that, as of course, I don't. If you go to that's why I decided to be going to Twitter space, so that those coming to challenge me, I will rubbish them, because they don't know nothing about Nigeria. I am telling you the fact. Some of them on Twitter, they don't know anything about Nigeria. Ask them questions, they don't know. Ask them about 1989, this thing, Abuja Declaration, they don't know. Ask them, they don't know nothing. The only thing they know is that somebody is contesting an election and he's going to make Nigeria one, and he's going to divide Nigeria. He's a Biafran, he's an Igbo man. That's all. They know nothing about Nigeria. So it is very important that we begin to go to the space to teach them and deliver them. Because if you ask them now, why are you supporting one Nigeria? They cannot explain. I am telling you, yesterday, I do not know why the space is not recorded. I don't know whether I recorded it or I forgot. Yesterday we had a meeting, we had a space. Somebody came. You ask them, what is it that makes you to support one Nigeria? They can ask you. One of a Benue State guy who called himself Dr. Crook or Croc or whatever. He said his own philosophy is one Nigeria. Is a united Africa, even a united Africa, a united Nigeria. I asked him, tell me any place where this your philosophy has ever worked anywhere in the world. Because the philosophy of my own philosophy, what I'm fighting for, I can tell you the places it have worked in the world, and we are applying the same approach. I begin to mention where our own have worked in the world. We asked him, tell us, this is your philosophy. Where has it ever worked in the world? He said it has not worked anywhere. And it didn't work anywhere. But he want to do it in Nigeria, and he called himself Dr. Crow. I don't know whether it is a doctor, like as in they give themselves this doctor these days. They give themselves doctor these days. Anybody will just come and put doctor before his name, and then you don't know whether the person is actually a doctor. Not like a medical doctor, but like a doctor, like PhD. You don't know whether the person is a real PhD and the person can actually defend himself. But when that guy was talking, you will begin to laugh because even before you become a doctor, before you become a PhD holder, you write your own and defend it, and it makes sense. So how can you now write a thesis and then you present it to as a study? Your own thesis. You present it to your supervisor, and then the supervisor will tell you. You convince the supervisor that, oh, this is my topic. It has never worked anywhere, but I believe this is my original opinion, and so you pass this particular thesis. It has never worked anywhere. He want to become a Chikobi of philosophy. So you see, they don't know. And this is a man who is from Benue State that have suffered one of the worst, Fulani attack. The IDP camp is everywhere in Benue State. This man say he want one Nigeria. And then, of course, I know where he was going. These are the people who want to have the opportunity to steal money from Nigeria as a politician. So whenever the opportunity, they go abroad and get this kind of PhD and they want to run back to their village and they become king in their village. They say he is a doctor. He is a doctor. And if you address him without putting a doctor, you have insulted him. All right. So I want you to listen to Peter Obi. Peter Obi is narrating how people cannot travel anymore. And then he begins to talk about economy. Hi! Which means even Peter Obi is not, very, very conversant about Nigeria. Peter Obi don't know Nigeria. Because for Peter Obi to go to North and begin to tell them about economy, it means that he knows nothing. He knows nothing. I am telling you, somebody like me, us, we study. The reason why we are, successful in this Biafra agitation, the reason why we are making wave, the reason why that anything we say come to happen is because we know Nigeria very well. We know Nigeria. And what we know, Peter Obi and co don't know it. That is why they are supporting one Nigeria. Because for Peter Obi to go to North and start preaching economy, it means truly that he don't know Nigeria. No, I'm telling you, he don't know Nigeria, because if he know Nigeria, he wouldn't go to North and preach economy. He will go to North and preach one Nigeria. I am telling you, once he preach one Nigeria, it is the end. Go there and say Biafra Bakwoko. Go there and say Nigeria, must be one. Go there. You just, of course, you have to convince them, because now they don't believe any Igbo man again. So no matter who you are now, they can never trust you, because they have crossed through.
So my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.